Hey guys, so today I'm thrilled to share with you my first ever original artwork using charcoal pencils on manila A2 paper. I've poured my heart and soul into this creation, so let's dive right in and explore the process together.
You meet the Lord, it's the day you lose it all. Oh, again, divine, oh, again. Wake up and see clearly now. Wake up and see clearly now. Wake up and see clearly now. Alive and crashed, alive and crashed, alive and crashed. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Alive and crashed, alive and crashed, alive and crashed. Don't miss the time.
This is actually my entry for the virtual art challenge. I've done water-themed artworks in the past, but for this one I chose to make my own reference and create something fitting for the challenge. My aim for this artwork was to capture the essence of refreshment by meticulously rendering the texture of water droplets, with each one delicately drawn to convey the sense of movement and fluidity.
The day you meet the Lord, it's the day you lose it all. Oh, again, divine. Wake up and see clearly now. Wake up and see clearly now. Wake up and see clearly now. Alive and crashed, alive and crashed, alive and crashed. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Alive and crashed, alive and crashed, alive and
Blameless and holy, born again, you know me. More time I stepping with Obi, and we won like Kenobi. New day in the past below me, lost 24s behind like Kobe. Outside the time, I don't need no rollie. Stepping with a Cody, war and the spirit get managed. Mr. Mosby.
The dripping water symbolizes the cleansing and revitalizing power of water. It represents a moment of refreshment and renewal, washing away the stresses and burdens of life through the simple act of allowing water to touch our faces.
Holy and blameless, I'm inside the zone that's ageless. Holy and blameless, I'm inside the zone that's ageless. Can't be blamed, I've been claimed for the kingdom, so I'm in his name. I've been trained, preordained, you can't stop me, I can't be contained. I'm in the truth, that's why I speak when I step in the booth. Fire in my hands like I'm chopping their brown soup. Day of his grace on the proof. Let me cook it like Nemi. Let me cook it like Norma. Bring the heat, no sauna. Blameless, he gave 1 for 1 like an unknown caller. Don't look at the past, the light is greater than the former. Holy can't blame us. Smacking down these tracks, they real can't shame us. It's the life he gave us. Oh so gracious, made us stainless, so I don't come last like Vegas. Entertain no demons, no they clap a lot cause I'm a believer. I'm the arch nemesis like Kakarot, if they was Vegeta. They hold shots like Nuee, son this beat like someone's Hoya. Declare not guilty, wholly justified like he was my lawyer. I got an advocate with a father, buzz off the top, I'm a lyrical barber. Fishing men on the web like Peter, I know Parker. Holy and blameless, I'm inside the zone that's ageless. Holy and blameless, I'm inside the zone that's ageless. Blameless and holy, born again, you know me. More time I stepping with Obi, and we won like Kenobi. New day in the past below me, lost 24s behind like Kobe. Outside the time, I don't need no rollie. Stepping with a Cody, war and the spirit get managed. Mr. Mosby.
This drawing invites the viewer to imagine the sensation of cool water dripping onto their face, evoking a sense of refreshment and a momentary escape from the demands of everyday life. And here it is, guys, my first ever original artwork, refreshed. I'm incredibly proud of this piece, and I hope it inspires you to embark on your own artistic journey. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if your first attempt doesn't turn out exactly as planned. The joy is in the process. Thank you so much for joining me today as I shared my first ever original artwork with you. I hope you found this video inspiring and informative. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Until next time, keep creating and exploring the world of art. Bye.